Good morning, everyone. I hope you are well and that you had an awesome weekend. I sure did. It actually was magical. You know, it's like when you are with like-minded people and you just have an awesome time and it just lifts you up and feeds you up. And it was just absolutely awesome. And some of the elites were there, some of my friends were there. And I was with people that I just adore working with. So yes, absolutely awesome. And yes, best thing ever for me, my career and everything. So it's really, really good. So I really hope that you had a good time. And yes, it might have asked from you to step up, to be courageous, because the stars are actually asking you to do that even today. Step up to your own truth, learn, grow, have courage to do things. Don't start anything new unless you are already working with those people or unless you already know them or yes, that you've already had something to do with people. Don't start anything new yet. Take the contacts, take the business cards if you do meet people, but only commit to a new relationship after at least 12 will be great. Mercury moves forwards on the 10th here in Australia, but the thing is that it takes about 3 or 4 days to be full speed because yes, the planet is a huge thing, so it's not like starting a car. It takes 3 or 4 days to be full speed. So that's why I keep on saying the 14th and 15th. So from that point, yes, you can do events, you can expose yourself and actually go full speed because it will be the best time of 2020. So you want to make the most out of it. Me, I'm getting my elites ready for a lot of things and we are going to smash it. It's going to be the best time of the year and we definitely want to do a lot of very, very good things and interesting things. So let's talk about this week. Well, we start with something that is amazing. On the 3rd and 4th, we are going to have amazing planets for work. So it's really, really good to have a meeting, to work, to keep on pushing whatever you are doing. Just do it. Me, I've got awesome meetings coming up with people that I work with and also for my elites, obviously. So it's going to be awesome. Then after that, around the 4th and the 5th, have dinner with those friends. Remember, we are still in Mercury retrograde. Catch up with your people that come from the past, your family, old friends and things like that, acquaintances. It's time to catch up, do that. It's just going to be beautiful to talk about the past, to remember old stories and to have a good time. So just do that. And then we've got one of the best weekend coming up. The 8th and the 9th is going to be absolutely an awesome weekend. So make sure you do something special, that you enjoy it. And we are going to be going towards the full moon of Virgo, where we are going to actually have 7 planets that are going to be there. So it's going to be awesome between romance, practicality, organizing things, making sure it is done in the concrete for the people that have an earth sign, that like things to be organized, to be done well, you're going to be extremely happy because we have 7 planets that are going to be in earth signs, and that is going to be awesome. It's going to be like a bridge. I'll talk a little bit more about it on the weekend because it is worth talking about it. It's just going to be absolutely beautiful. So that is going to be between the 9th and the 10th. So obviously I will talk about it next Sunday because you want to make the most out of it. And if you have at that point any things that you want to be organizing in your future and in a concrete way, things and contracts that you are getting ready and organizing and stuff like that, and of course just at that time, magical organization of the stars, of the universe, Mercury will be moving forwards. So perfect bridge to take us where? To the best part of 2020. I just love the universe. If we think that we are organized, watch the universe. It's even better than that. It's just absolutely magical. So I just love watching the way it unfolds each time. It's just absolutely perfect. Well, that's it. Have an amazing week. I've got an appointment with one of my elites. I need to go now. But yeah, sending you heaps of love. This week is amazing. Next weekend even better. And after that, we are reaching the best time of 2020. So a lot to be happy about. Talk to you soon, everyone. Bye.